When the wind blows, the weather is windy. Okay, next. Strong winds and heavy rains could destroy many things. Basta may strong winds and heavy rains, stormy. Okay? Strong winds and heavy rains, stormy. Snowy day only occurs in certain countries. A snowy weather does not happen in the Philippines because we are a tropical country. Okay? Okay. Plenty of clouds in the sky. Plenty of clouds in the sky.
God.
Cloudy.
Okay. The sun is shining brightly.
Sunny.
Okay. Dark clouds. Okay. Yeah, it is raining much of the day.
Rainy.
Washes away dust in the air.
Windy.
Washes away dust in the air. Washes away dust in the rain. It is also good for the plants and trees. So,
Rainy.
wind blows.
Windy.
Okay. Strong winds and heavy rains.
Stormy.
Only occurs in certain countries.
Snowy.
Okay. Philippines is a blank country. Philippines is a blank country.
Tropical.
Okay. Tropical, okay? Okay, here. Oh, tandaan mo ha. The gases